Hey, man, your mom's calling me.
Hey, pick that up for me.
I don't like answering people's phones, but hey, what up, bitch?
Not today, bitch. What you doing? Nigga, do you. Nigga, do you. Yo, let's take this pic real quick. Right. Go ahead.
Say cheese.
Boom, boom. The photo bomb.
Bruh.
Whoa. Y'all felt that turbulence?
Yeah.
Is everything all right? Hey, I don't know, but text me if you make it, though. It's my girl, Brittany. Hey. How you automatically connect to the Wi-Fi? Bitch, you been here before?
So what you do last night?
I smashed Sophia.
What?
I knew you wasn't shit. Nigga, you framed me? Whoa, whoa.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, new ringtone, the camera click. You gotta download the app. Hello, hey, mama. Man, I swear I'll knock you out. You lucky this gay holding me back. Okay, here go my phone, my wallet, my keys. Got some soup inside. Come on in, brothers. The fuck? Oh, shit, baby, I thought this was you. The bitch is white. Michael Jackson disease. Hi.